Let's check with you right now, because you're keeping an eye on all that activity down there.
It's crazy. What happened was, it's not the whole state. This cell developed essentially over that area and just sat there. Yeah, it did. And so take a look at this. This was yesterday. We had another several inches of rain today. Finally, they're drying out down there, and I have it centered around Fort Lauderdale. But look at this. If you're not looking at your screen, I'm going to advance this map. This is a rainfall estimate from the radar over the last 2 days, 48 hours. And it's not too often we get into the black hue. That is incredible rainfall. Again, I point out 48 hours. The radar here estimating over 20 inches of rainfall. That is a staggering number. And then you get outside, the folks that got relatively light rain, picked up 4, 5, 6 inches of rain in just a matter of a day or two. So incredible flooding down there. Fortunately, like I said, they are drying out. For us, let's talk about our temperatures for a minute. 86 degrees. That was the official high here in Philadelphia. It's not the record. The record will stand 89 degrees back in 1977. But the low this morning, 56. We're going to be in the low 60s tomorrow, which may break the record for the warmest low temperature on the day. The perspective kind of bring you back 64 and 43 for the high and low. That's where we should be. So we're going to be closer to that as we get on into next week. But here's where we stand right now. What a delightful night. 72 degrees in Philadelphia, low 70s, Trenton and Wilmington, 69 degrees at this hour for you folks in Cape May, Mount Pocono at 65, and Atlantic City in the 70s as well. So for us, dry tonight, gorgeous evening, you know, great sleeping weather, probably not because your air conditioner's on. I define great sleeping weather as being able to open up the windows, let the cool air in. Tonight's kind of warm. Air conditioners are probably running after today. For tomorrow, here's what we're looking at. Clouds will start streaming in from the south. By tomorrow afternoon and evening, you'll start to see a few more of those. We are not expecting it to have any impacts on your plans at all. It's going to be another hot day, and as we get on into Saturday, this is when we start changing things up. In fact, I'll get you a closer look. 7 o'clock in the morning, let's just say the morning hours on Saturday. If you have a tea time, you want to go out and get some exercise, you're fine. Maybe a light stray shower. But into the afternoon, here's what we're looking at. Pop-up showers and storms moving from the south to the north. So if you're tracking them on the radar, and of course we'll be tracking them for you, not everybody gets rain. You may have rain and then a break with some sunshine, and then rain, break with sunshine. If you have an outdoor activity, you have anything planned outside, you definitely want that back up. Even if it only rained over your place for 15 minutes, you could pick up quarter inch, half an inch of rain in that time period, which of course would be, you know, really impactful if you're at a wedding, for example, or something like that. And then that will go into Saturday evening. We'll dry things out as we roll into the at least first part of Sunday. So for tonight, 61 degrees, clear and very mild, not April-like, certainly feeling like June. That's where we should be for the beginning of June temperature-wise. 87 tomorrow. The record is 91, so we're certainly near that, much closer to that than, of course, the 64-degree temperature that we talked about. Cooler for the weekend because of the clouds and showers. Sunday looks dry, but Sunday night, yuking into Monday, there's our cold front, bringing spring back Tuesday, 59. Our low's not even going to be 59 tonight.
How about it? All right, buddy. Thank you so much. Hey.